Hello everyone. So for today, well, I have my kind of design team project out at the current moment, but I was thinking on using some random pages here and making some cute envelopes. Obviously out of some old book page, some dictionary paper, some music paper, maybe a painted paper. And I forgot my book paper. Over here. But yeah, some ideas I've had here and there. One, two. All right. Set that off to the side now. So I've been pretty busy lately with the different things that are going on. I am moving my mother, what is it, tomorrow, to her new apartment. She's been having a lot of memory issues and all that stuff, and very hard time in general. So I figure make some cute little envelopes would be a little bit more fun. Oops, I didn't mean to do it that spot. Alright. So I'm going to just fold up this edge a little bit to strengthen it. And then I'm going to take this, go in, and then I'm going to fold this up like this. Alright. And then I'm going to take my handy dandy glue, glitter glue here. Just because I know glitter glue works very well for sticking things fast. I personally am not a person who likes to measure, as you know. And this idea I did get from Shabbydabbydoodah. It's one of her mask making videos. I wanted to do this online, show you guys what I'm doing, what I am up to. So there we go. Got this going. Make some easy pieces here by just making some. I mean, it's only a few flips and all that jazz. And you can really make this any size too. She made some big ones like this, and then some small ones, and I understood why. And the reason why I left a little gap there is so then I can cut it down. Sometimes it's just easier to cut it down after you've done this part, you know, it just makes it a little easier, this portion, just cutting it down and making sure there's no glue. There we go. Another cute one. This is just regular old book page. These flips just strengthen it. My daughter is coughing. She made the cruel mistake of going off and trying to clean my dusty areas in my house here, so now she's very much living with the consequences of doing that. Now this one kind of turned out weird, but I have noticed I need to do it the right way too. And that did not come out the way it was supposed to. Nope. Like this. It looks a little better. All right. I like using old book page because you can line it up with the words. Makes life just a little smidge easier when it comes down to that stuff. Keeping things a little straight. But this is a great way to build your stash with pockets and things. Pockets or envelopes. So I'm going to actually, when I'm done with this one, I think I might just show you what I mean by that. Alright. For example, in the book that we are currently working on, I'm just going to take one of these pages, turn it to a random page like this. So if we put an envelope in this page, we could have this spot we could have it as a belly band, or we could have it on the bottom as a pocket, like that. Or, like in these bigger ones, if we have them, we could make them off to the side and make them into a tuck spot right in here. Or we could even, this was my thought process too, we could make it into a pocket like this too in one. So a belly band, a pocket here, a tuck spot, or flip it this way and become a pocket in the middle of the page too. So there's several different ways you can handle these simple envelopes that you make. I just wanted to make sure I showed them off a little. Lovely. There we go. Just want to see how this would work if I just do these inside pieces with my glue. And I try to leave a gap there. And then just stick this on here. Now, to decorate it, I like finding decorative things like this to decorate this portion. You can use that or anything, really. I mean, there's lots of different little things you can use. Like this is just an old piece of elastic. That would be cute. Just glued on here to add a bit of color. Or if you make ruffles, for example, adding ruffles on top of here just gives it a little bit of something. I have ruffles, I have pieces like this that I just sewed together, two pieces of fabric that are different sizes, and voila. It's like a snippet. And actually with this one I don't want to use that, but I know I have something really cute. Like this. So we'll get a little bit of Fabri-Tac, glue it around here, and again, it's just pre-made. I make a lot of ruffles just so then it's easy to use for something like this. And then I'm going to also add a cute little piece here, and you don't have to. And some people have the 1-inch things, but I don't, so this is what works for me. And if you're anything like me, I forget to distress all the time, so I just do a quick fix, is what I call it, rubbing up against it like this, just to make it all look a little bit more vintagey. Oh, and it's an envelope, so you can stick it into pockets too. I mean, you could decorate both sides and stick it in a pocket that way too. So, I mean, there's multiple different ways of using something as simple as this. And this fits small pieces like this, you know, or actually this one would probably fit bigger pieces, but that's what I had on hand. So I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make some simple envelopes. I hope you got figured out how and everything. And I'm sorry I haven't been on much lately. I've been very busy with my mother. It's been a bit overwhelming for me. Extremely overwhelming for me is what I should say. So I hope you enjoy your day or night. Bye.